Alright, Brian from Garage Will Haul. Today we are working on a Mazda 2, I believe is what she's called. And the rear bearings are actually bad. So I did this side. So I figured I'd show you guys how to do it on this side. So one thing, if you don't have one of these, definitely pick it up. It's a vessel impact screwdriver, and just basically because on the Japanese or Asian cars, that little drum holder, those little screws that are in there, they're not an American standard, even though this fits in here. I mean, yeah, you can't twist it out. All right, so a couple good whacks with the hammer on this. I think that's it. Yeah, freeze head up. I don't know how many I've had to drill out over the years. But anyway, that's how you get that free. And that's your vessel hammer screwdriver, impact screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. By the way, so let's get this freed off. So that's your drum. That's your brakes. They don't look too bad on the back. And the great thing about this is it's a 14mm, and it has these little holes in here that you can actually get to with your, I mean, you don't have to use an impact wrench. You can use a regular wrench as well, but it slips nice and easy in there. And those little screws zip right out. I lost that one, but we'll get her. And that comes out nice and easy. That comes out. There's that screw that we lost. That is your old, you can hear it. Here's your new bearing. Alright, and then you line up your little studs here. Pretty good there. And then I got to use more of a narrow socket on this because these flanges are a little bit more narrow. But I'll just put those back in there, nice and easy. Back in that corner. Then we'll do the top corners. Then we'll do this bottom one. And I just like to get them started. And then we'll zip them in on the lowest setting. Alright, put a regular wrench on it. Make sure I torqued nice and good. Torque them to spec. Okay. That one needs a little. Okay. So, that's all there is to it. That's a quick Mazda rear hub wheel bearing replacement. Just put that back on. Put our handy dandy little screw in. Now the other side didn't have any, so basically what I'm going to do is make sure I got them on. At least one on each side. And then make sure we got that nice and tight. Anyway, that's it. That's your quick and easy rear hub replacement on a Mazda 2. Brian from Garage Mahal. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching and subscribing.